Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Ilmo Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equals to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Ilmo Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Ilmo Irfan offers a course which is titled as Popular IDEs for C Programming Language in Windows Operating System. It is lecture 19 of this course, Basics of CLion, and I'm your instructor, Saman Khan. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will present basics of CLion. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented a step-by-step process to run your first C program using CodeLight. Recall that real-world problem of this course is to understand main features and learn to download, install, and run C programs on 5 popular IDEs for C programming language. And the proposed solution is learn to use 5 popular IDEs for C programming language, including Visual Studio, CodeBlocks, DevC++, CodeLight, and CLion. Alhamdulillah, work done so far is learn to use Visual Studio, learn to use CodeBlocks, learn to use DevC++, and learn to use CodeLight. And work to be done is learn to use CLion. Focus of this lecture is to understand basics of CLion. Now I will discuss second part of this lecture, that is basics of CLion. CLion is defined as follows. CLion is a cross-platform IDE for C and C++ by JetBrains. CLion is a fully integrated C++ development environment. The main purpose of CLion is to provide a power tool that can offer a powerful debugger and solve problems with ease. An important question is, why should we learn CLion? The possible answer to this question is, number 1, CLion offers a powerful debugger and dynamic analysis tools to investigate. Number 2, you can solve problems with ease and can perform code testing. Number 3, CodeLion is easy to use and user-friendly. Number 4, CLion is a great IDE for editing, compiling, and debugging, especially for C, C++ code. Number 5, CLion provides you the functionality that saves time on unnecessary typing while it generates code for you. Number 6, CLion features safe refactoring, code assistance, advanced debugger, and code generation. And lastly, CLion provides cross-platform support, that is, it can run identically on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Inshallah, in the next slides, I will present main features and system requirement of CLion. Main features of CLion are as follows. Number 1 is Intelligent Code Assistant, the functionality that saves time on unnecessary typing and generates code automatically from typing. Second feature of CLion is Intuition. CLion works with CMake to intuitively set up projects, that is, files can be added in just one click. Third feature is Debugger. CLion provides advanced debugger features that can debug and update the code. Next feature is code analysis. The CLion IDE has static analysis for all the languages it supports. And last feature is unit testing. There is a default way to run tests by simply running a regular executable in CLion. System requirements for CLion is as follows. For Windows operating system, 64-bit versions of Microsoft Windows 8, 10 or 11, 2 GB free RAM minimum, 2.5 GB hard disk space are required. And for Mac operating system, Mac OS 10.14 or higher, 2 GB free RAM minimum, 2.5 GB hard disk space are required. And for Linux or Unix, GNOME or KDE desktop, 2 GB free RAM minimum or 2.5 GB hard disk space are required. To do and your turn tasks. The to-do task for this part of lecture is write down one or more features of CLion which are not mentioned in this lecture. And your turn task is consider the Microsoft Visual C++ IDE for C programming language and write down its definition, purpose, importance, main features, and system requirements. After discussing basics of CLion, now let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented basics of CLion. In next lecture, Inshallah, in next lecture, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to download CLion for Windows operating system. Father of Imam Shah Waliullah Dahlavi, Honorable Shah Abdul Rahim Nurul Murkada said, all that we have received, either the rewards of this world or hereafter, are the outcomes of the blessings of Darud Pak. May Allah give us the strength to recite Darud Sharif abundantly. Ameen. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.